Why top CEOs hire PR firms? Top CEOs don't leave their reputation to chance. They actively shape how the market, media, and stakeholders see them, and they work with PR firms to do it. In this video, we'll break down exactly why CEOs hire PR teams and the steps you can take to use the same playbook for your own brand. For over a decade, we've helped leaders earn placements in Forbes, the Wall Street Journal, CNBC, and Bloomberg. We've seen firsthand how PR transforms influence, opens doors, and even impacts company valuation. What you'll hear today isn't theory. These are the same strategies we use with established, funded businesses to keep them in the spotlight for the right seasons. Reason number one, strategic positioning, controlling your narrative. If you don't define your message, the market will define it for you. Strategic positioning ensures that every public comment, media appearance, and online mention reinforces your business goals. Action steps you can take today: audit your current messaging, review your LinkedIn bio, press quotes, and public presentations. Do they all reflect the same core story? Define your leadership pillars. Choose 3 to 5 topics you want to be known for example, innovation in your industry, corporate culture, ESG leadership. Build a content calendar. Map out quarterly speaking points tied to industry trends and company milestones. In a moment, we'll share how CEOs open doors to Forbes, CNBC, and the Wall Street Journal, and the exact process they follow to get there. Reason number 2, media relations power. Opening doors you can't on your own. Journalists, editors, and producers receive hundreds of pitches a day. PR firms have relationships, credibility, and pitching skill to break through the noise. Action steps you can take today: identify your target media outlets. List 10 publications that reach your ideal audience. Research journalist beats. Find the writers and editors who cover your sector. Follow them on LinkedIn or X, Twitter. Craft a non-promotional story angle. Tie your insights to a current event, industry shift, or public interest trend. Offer exclusives. Give one outlet early access to deepen the relationship. But even with strong media relationships, one bad headline can undo years of work. Next, we'll show you how CEOs protect their reputation before a crisis hits. Reason number 3, crisis and reputation management. Protecting the leadership brand. In the age of social media, one bad headline can overshadow years of success. PR firms plan ahead so CEOs are ready before trouble hits. Action steps you can take today: build a crisis response plan. Outline who will speak, how you'll respond, and where official statements will be published. Draft holding statements. Prepare general responses for likely scenarios: product failure, executive departure, industry controversy. Monitor media sentiment. Use tools like Google Alerts or Meltwater to track mentions of you and your company daily. Now that you know how to protect your brand in a crisis, let's talk about the real growth engine for CEOs: thought leadership. Reason number 4, thought leadership, becoming the go-to voice. Consistent thought leadership builds trust, differentiates your brand, and increases influence with investors, partners, and customers. Action steps you can take today: publish regularly. Write op-eds, LinkedIn articles, or industry pieces that offer unique insight, not just company news. Speak at industry events. Target conferences where your customers, investors, or peers gather. Leverage multimedia. Appear on podcasts, webinars, and video panels to expand reach beyond written content. Repurpose content. Turn one speech into multiple LinkedIn posts, email newsletters, and short video clips. In a moment, we'll recap how these 4 strategies fit together and how you can apply them immediately to boost your visibility and influence. Top CEOs use PR not just to get headlines, but to shape perception, build authority, and protect their reputation. You can apply the same playbook: start with strategic positioning, build media relationships, prepare for crises, and show up as a thought leader. If your leadership profile could be working harder for your company's growth, there's a proven process to get there. Your next move is simple: put these steps into action and watch how the market responds.